Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I am the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about a Veeam SureBackup Job. So what is a Veeam SureBackup Job? Well, basically what it does is, and you may have been asked this, and here's the dirty secret, right? You think you're being a good citizen, you back up your stuff, and then you need to restore it, and you find out the backups for, in search of 500 million reasons why it could have gone sideways, don't work. That's a bad day. That is potentially a day when the IT person loses their job. So one of the ways you can prevent this from happening, or at least verify your backups are good, is create a Veeam SureBackup Job. And the way this works is, you're doing your backups. What it does is it creates a virtual lab. It starts the VM from the backup, using the backup repository storage, and makes sure that the machine can boot, can be pinged. There's, depending on the type of machine it is, you can do some additional other tests, like if it's a DC or a SQL Server, or you can write a script to run it against this to make sure that the VM comes up okay. The bottom line here is that oftentimes you don't find out that the backup hasn't been working until and the only time you find out about it is when you need to do a restore, and by then it's too late. So it's a good way to verify your backups are actually working and properly functioning, and if there is a problem with them, you can find out about it sooner before you actually have to do a restore. So anyway, you may want to consider configuring that. It is a little bit involved. You have to do a virtual lab. It's one of those things, it's not hard, but it does take some time. By the way, if you need help setting up a SureBackup Job on Veeam, we'd love to help you out. You can send an email to info@adscon.com. If you like this content, please boink at the subscribe button, boink at the like button. It does help out the channel. Make sure your backups are properly functioning. The other way to do it right is to do a test restore, but then that only proves that that latest backup was done. The nice thing about the SureBackup is that every time you run the backup job, it goes and lights them up and makes sure everything's okay. So that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks a lot for listening. We'll talk to you soon.